Hi friends! I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I'm building my very first PC for gaming and possibly streaming. I've never done this before, so I'm learning as I go and I just wanted to show you my experience. Let's jump into the build and see how it goes. This is the Asus Prime B550M motherboard. For the CPU, I went for the Ryzen 5700G. Next, I opted for the Thermalright AIO cooler. I like that this AIO cooler comes with a 2.4 LCD display and it's also under $70. The installation was not as difficult as I thought it'd be, which is nice for a beginner like me. I built this awesome PC for $900. If you're curious about the parts that I've used, I've linked everything in the description. Time to tighten the screws and add the thermal paste that came with the AIO cooler. Not gonna lie, I was struggling to squeeze out this thermal paste. Next, I tried to screw on the AIO cooler evenly on the brackets. Okay, time to add the LCD screen. It magnetically attaches to the AIO cooler. Then I plug both the fan and the cooler to the motherboard. Alright, it's time to install the RAM. This is the Corsair Vengeance RAM and I'm going with two 16GB sticks for a total of 32GB. Next, I opted to install the Samsung SSD 1TB. This is the PC case that I'll be using, and it already comes with 6 pre-installed fans. And this is the power supply for my PC. Alright, sorry guys, I had to scrap the footage where I put the motherboard and the cooler into the PC case. These are cable extensions, totally optional, but I had to add them to match the clean white aesthetic I was going for. Next, it's time to connect everything to the motherboard. It's time to install the graphics card. This is the ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger. We're almost there, guys. All that's left is tidying these cables. Okay guys, here's what it's looking like. As you can see, one of the RAM needs to be reinserted and none of the RGB lights are on. Okay, take 2, let's try that again. I managed to plug in the ARGB light cable for the fans that came with the case, but the ARGB cable for the cooler was too short, so I had to order an ARGB fan hub. The struggle is real. I had to do this off camera.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, let's try this one last time. Yay, everything's working! I cannot believe that I pulled off this build. And I am so excited to play a game on this PC. If you guys have any game recommendations, please put them in the comments. I would love to check them out. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at how simple and user-friendly the control software is for the LCD display. You can use the default themes or upload your own like I have. This build took me around 5 hours, and I'm honestly so thrilled that everything came together, especially since it's my very first time building a PC. Overall, I would recommend giving it a try. It was so much fun and such a rewarding experience. If you're curious about any of the parts that I used, all the links are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.